Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord is Ingani Zestembu. Sorry for delivering late, but I am here now. Sizokhuluma ngengane zikaMusa Mseleku namakhosikazi wakhe. Let us start ngolwandle. Guys, I feel like uLwandle is low-key riding on other people's content because Uka is not bringing anything to the table. At this point, I think Ugutu Babake desperately wants him to also get paid. He's now pulling Usbindi to say Sbindi also make sure Guti Law will bring us some content and stuff, right? Now, him going to see girlfriend Kasbindi, that's now him doing content, and I'm like, I'm not happy. I would understand why Umseleku would want him there because it makes sense, right? Financially and otherwise, ukuthi naye abe right. But no, girl is not. Guy rather. My apologies. Is not bringing anything to the table to such an extent. Yoguti, if you remember all these other seasons, the only thing that was about him was the party. Like that was it. But everything else in J, it's about others. Even the conflict is about others. Yeah, now he would be just there when he reacts, and that's it. It's if nakhona ukutshela ukuthi reactor in a way abantu bazobuza ukuthi yo kanti uLwandle so yo wanhlalwanye. But yena nje as an individual ake happy ka yena ake happy ka what he's bringing to the table or what he's not bringing therefore to the table, because literally he's bringing a toothpick, and a toothpick is only used when everybody is done dining and serving, and one can easily even forget about it, or you can easily use something else, you can folder some paper, use paper, whatever, as a form of a toothpick. So really, he's really giving us breadcrumbs at this point. Then kube uAbongwe Mseleku. Abongwe naye, I hope this season she's going to bring us something that we are going to like. I just want to make a disclaimer. I am for Abongwe. Nyamthando Abongwe. I love her. Like, I don't want to lie. I don't want to sugarcoat it. She's one of my favorites, and therefore it becomes a bit difficult for me to be objective when it comes to Abongwe. Why Nyamthando Abongwe? I find her so sweet. I find her so respectful. I find her ukuthi she's authentic without necessarily saying too much and stuff, And when she came with that friend of hers, I thought, no, she's finally going to introduce her partner and say, I've been making TikTok videos, and I've been telling you that I'm preparing to cook for my future wife, and this is my potential future wife, and see the dynamics on how Umseleku is going to accept that, since he's a cultural man and everything, even though we know Uguti and Abongwe, they've got a very, very healthy relationship. But also, Nae, in all honesty, she is bringing like minimal to the table at this point, and I think Uguti, they should do more. I honestly believe they should do more, or like alternatively be friends of the show, because no. And then kube ubani? Kube ulo ongimuthandile namhlanje. Okay, isiqale ngoMpilo. Kube uMpilo, right? uMpilo naye, she's trying. I just hope ukuthi this season they exhaust the surname situation and they actually bring us something else. We might understand and know which since they are a bit traditional, they might not necessarily show us Bonabajola nani but like bring something to the table that we might be able to say, low interesting, show us your life, your friends, like something. At this point they are playing it too safe. It's annoying. The only person osmazi yoguti she's a bad apple Wusni. So Umpilo naye nje, she's playing way too safe, and it's good for her to be a good girl and stuff. But tell us your friends, show us what your friends think about you. Let us just know something about you, your lifestyle. What is it? Like, if you need to show us a fancy lifestyle, show us that, but give us something. Right, except in yokushintsha isibongo. I think ukuthi we've done that, we've exhausted that, right ngayo. Whether uyashintsha manje or kanjani, thina sikubona umntana kaMseleku, sik-accepte ngomseleku, sikusave ngomseleku, ngoba ngisho sihlobene phela njengoba si-invested endabeni zakini. Then kube Usne, guys. Yo, I am so happy with Usne, right? And a lot of people are saying no, Usne had to apologize because Macele said Sne takes no one's advice. Sne does what Sne wants to do. The reason why sifanisa Usne noMpumelelo noSiyacela is because abatshelwa whether ba right or wrong bahambisa amakhanda wabo amakhulu and they push those khandas to what they want. Mina, I'm very happy with Usne, guys. I'm happy with Usne. At this point, Usne was the best act of yesterday's episode, in a sense that Usne came, showed up, showed off. She did literally something that we never thought Uguti Usne had it in her. Usne apologized. She allowed Umpilo to ramble nale without being triggered, because I thought ukuthi Umpilo makambuza ukuthi ngakwenzani Sne kwenzeni uzoba triggered. No, girl was not triggered. Girl was the big sister that she believes she is, and then she discussed it, and then what, let us squash this, it's enough. And Umpilo naye uyithathe kahle wayenza sure ukuthi iyasquasheka. What I learned, however, from the whole situation ukuthi whatever that they are fighting for is not too deep, because lo makathi but labayana mabeza kuwe bazoqhubeka nempilo, you continue, because Umpilo raised the fact ukuthi laba abanye ama-siblings, when they come after you guys have fought, you are easily able to move on. Why is it difficult with me, you know? And low, I'm telling you, no, but they come to me and then we sort it out and life goes on. And Umpilo also showed her part to say, but I never come to you because I'm not that type of a person. When a person is misunderstanding me or I feel good, a person doesn't like me, naturally I withdraw and I step back, you know. And I appreciate her for sharing that, because now we understand ukuthi Umpilo umuntu onjani and stuff. That's her favorite word, by the way. So I'm glad Uguti Usne is changing, guys. She's being the big sister that we need her to be. I know Uguti, she's not gonna be perfect, and I know Uguti, she's gonna show us flames throughout the season, but this step was the nicest step. And yes, Umacele spoke to her, but I'm giving credit to Usne, because Usne uyenza le ayifunayo. And furthermore, it looks like also she went to apologize to Uma Khumalo, which was a clip was shown. But we are still going to yet see and understand ukuthi her apology ihambe kanjani. Was it accepted? What did she give as reasons of talking crap about them? And will she be forgiven? And we live happily ever after. Kuba yikumbaya. Right. Then, in conclusion, Ibubezi le family. Ibubezi, guys, he's literally no Sne bayithwele ishow. They are the ones that are giving us the content. They are izingane zesithembu. Others are just extras at this point. They are the nonkus and whatevers of uthando izingane zesithembu, right? But ulo Usibindi, I feel ukuthi as well bamupha umsebenzi omningi ukuthi on top of him handling his own relationship, he navigating his own life, he's given the responsibility of ensuring that uLwandle uza ne-content of which is unfair, but asiphumeni lapho. Uguy introduces ugirlfriend wakhe to uLwandle. Akasemuhle ugirl angisamthandi nkosi yami. Guys, can I ask a question? I know some of you will be offended and you'll come for me, but the people that watch Uthando Nesthembu, right, and they've seen Umpumelelo behaving, do they think Uguti is going to behave differently with them, or was it somehow? And also, now that we've clarified the whole issue, yokuthi nithi he akayokhokha kaTirelo kuqala uyokhokha kaTirelo kuqala. I think he always wanted Utirelo to be the first wife, and he knew that him saying he wants a virgin will definitely trigger Uvuyokazi, and Vuyokazi might eventually leave, of which Uvuyokazi did exactly that. Ugo uhakamatorokisi. Until today, you all judge me all you want. I think Uti, this is the best decision that Uvuyokazi could have ever done for herself. Living in J was just the best decision that she could have ever done. But she introduced a beautiful girl, and I think Uguti, she's going to be a sweetheart. Judging and looking at her facial expression, how she looks, she truly looks like a humble person by nature. Her humbleness does not look fake. It looks like vele nje umntwana ozithobile othulile wasemakhaya, alright, ozoba makotoqotho kamseleko. Question is, will she gel with Utirelo? Speaking of Utirelo uthathe umntana guyzini uyomvakashisa ekhaya kubo. Yeah. Mojolo guys, tlola Mojolo. Mojolo swa mang le mang. He re le botsa le bona ka re byang le byang. Mojolo swa mang le mang. Uyomvakashisa ekhaya kubo. In the midst of the vakashing, they had a discussion with Seleku, right? The discussion was about around ukuthi uyohlalaphi ugirl, athi makalotsholwa uyohlala eMzumbe. Ugo doesn't want to live eMzumbe, but I also heard Usbindi's reasoning, which I thought ukuthi it was mature. He did specify ukuthi edrobheni kuyadura, and him wanting a lot of wives, it makes sense for them ukuthi bahlale emakhaya and they build up kancane kancane, you know. And also, no one can say to Usbindi, I made you or I found you what. Bonke la macheru azoba almost abafazi ngesikhathi esi1, so there will be low resentment other than aqale nomunye aphushe naye for 20 years then kuze uwife number bani number bani. That's just how I think, right? But Utirelo, guys, is going to be the second wife. Utirelo uzolotsholwa. Utirelo uzoba uMrs Mseleku. The question is, how is she going to be as the matriarch of the family? Will she lead by example? Will she be the wife that Usbindi needs to be to aha lesithembu? Because ukuba umatriarch bafethu akusinto yabani nobani. I don't know anything or more about this temple, but I think ukuthi you must be called to be the first wife. It's not a job for every Tom, Dick and Harry. That's just me. But ke wena tshela mina ukuthi uqabangani. This is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. Please ensure that you like, share and subscribe. Also watch my previous videos bakithi nje ngengihole ngicabangele nini ngithandeni. I love you guys. Bye.